bringing you another wonderful recipe, which is actually my mom's recipe, and we love to have it with chapati. This is a Shimla Mirch with besan, or you could say capsicum with chickpea flour. Do watch the recipe, it is wonderful. Let's look at the ingredients first. We have green capsicum, raw mango, which I have peeled and grated, besan or chickpea flour, jeera or cumin seeds, turmeric or haldi powder, red chili or lal mirch, amchur or dry mango powder, and of course oil and salt to taste. So let's start the recipe. Here goes. First things first, let's put the heat on and add some oil to our wok, kadai or pan. We need a little extra oil in this recipe because we're going to roast the besan or chickpea flour in this. Cumin seeds, about a half teaspoon, 4 tablespoons of besan, the capsicum was chopped and de-seeded. Added this here for cooking now. I will add little salt, turmeric and red chili powder. Mix it well. Very little of dry mango powder because I am adding raw mango which has been peeled and grated. Add just 2 tablespoons of water. Now cover it for a few minutes. Let me taste this now. It's delicious and tangy. You can add a little more chili powder if you like, or make it spicier with green chili, but this tastes perfect as it is. Let's start plating. Delicious besan wali Shimla Mirch or capsicum with chickpea flour is ready.